Assalamualaikum dear students of class 7th. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Feroz. Dear students, we have studied about data processing cycle in last lectures, and in this lecture we are going to study data processing system. This topic is discussed on book page number 7. Dear students, there are two methods of data entry. So data processing system, first of all we are going to study it, or first of all we are going to describe data processing system. Data processing system is defined as it is such a system or it is such a way in which a salesman or a businessman maintains his record. So there are two types of data processing system. Number one is a manual system. Second one is a computerized system. So dear students, first of all we will discuss about a manual system. A manual system is defined as if a businessman or shopkeeper records his sales with a pen and a register is called a manual system. Dear students, as you see in this picture, there is a shopkeeper and there is a pen in his hand and he is writing some things about his sales on the register. So some maintenance of any system with a pen and register is known as a manual system. In manual system, a shopkeeper or a businessman records his sales using a pen and register. This is known as the manual system. At the end of the day, finally he calculates the total sum of the stocks. If some stock becomes short, next time he calls to the supplier to send the more stock. It means, or the mean of saying about manual system, that the maintenance of record is done with a pen and register. Later on we are going to study about a computerized system. Dear students, a computerized system is defined as it is such a system where everything is maintained, is recorded on computer. At the large store or business places, the businessman uses barcode reader. A shopkeeper or businessman do not need to record sales on a register because each sale is automatically recorded on a computer. At large store or at large business places, computers can determine that stock has been below certain limit. It automatically sends an email to the supplier to send more stock. This is called a computerized system. So dear students, these are the two types that we have discussed in this lecture. There are two types of the data processing system. Number one is a manual system and another is a computerized system. Dear students, manual system is simply defined as some maintenance of business, some maintenance of any record is done with a pen and a register. That is known as a manual system. And a computerized system is defined as that some maintenance or some record that is written or entered within a computer is known as a computerized system. At the large centers or at the large business places, shopkeepers use barcode readers. Barcode readers record the sale. Barcode reader record the sale on a computer. If some sale becomes short, A shopkeeper then writes or calls to the supplier to send more stock. But at even more large places of business, shopkeepers use barcode readers. These barcode readers maintenance the record of the sales. If some sale becomes short or fallen below a certain limit, a barcode automatically sends an email or message to the supplier to send more stock. This is known as the computerized system. A computerized system that can make decisions for a business manager is called an expert system. Now, dear students, you will have to solve an assignment that you will have to answer the question, what are the advantages